Here's how you can use WhatsApp on different phones simultaneously. WhatsApp now enables users to use the same account on multiple phones at the same time. Whether a user has an Android, iPhone, web browser, or desktop, they can pair up their devices easily. Here's how to use WhatsApp on different phones simultaneously. First, to link an Android companion phone to an Android or iPhone primary phone. To access more options, click on the three dots in the WhatsApp app. Then download WhatsApp on the companion phone and open it. Tap More Options and link to an existing account. On the primary phone, open WhatsApp. For Android, tap More Options, go to Link Devices, then link a device. For iPhone, go to WhatsApp Settings, go to Linked Devices, and select the Link a Device option. Unlock the primary phone and scan the QR code on the companion phone. Number 2. To link a companion iPhone to an Android or iPhone primary phone. First, download WhatsApp on the companion iPhone and open it. Tap Link this device to an existing account. Then open WhatsApp on the primary phone. For Android, tap More Options, then go to Link Devices, select Link a Device. For iPhone, go to WhatsApp Settings, select Link Devices, and then select Link a Device. Scan the QR code on the companion iPhone after unlocking the primary iPhone. For web browser and desktop, open WhatsApp Web or Desktop on the device a user wants to link. Then open WhatsApp on the primary phone. For Android, tap More Options, then go to Link Devices, then select Link a Device. For iPhone, go to WhatsApp Settings, click on Link Devices, and select Link a Device. Unlock the primary phone and scan the QR code on the other device's screen.